Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple cells in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here I have a simple data set in Excel. So to copy this data, first you have to select this data. To select the data, just drag with the mouse and you can select easily. And the second way, you just simply select the one cell inside the data and press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. After that, just press the Ctrl C to copy this data and select the area where you want to paste. So I select this cell and use here the Ctrl V to paste this data. Okay. So then second way to copy paste in values, select the area where you want to paste and simply press the Ctrl Alt V and here the space special dialog box is open. Then simply click on the values and click on OK. Here only values paste. And if you want to copy paste the formatting, simply select the area and use the Ctrl Alt V and select here the formats. Now you see here the format will copy paste. That's it. See, the same format is copy paste. Okay. You can copy paste by using the mouse also. To simply select the data those you want to copy, right click of the mouse, then click on the copy and select the area where you want to paste. So I select this cell, then again right click of the mouse and click on the paste. That's it. Your data is pasted with multiple cells. Okay. So, and the third way I show you here, the simply select the area. Okay, those you want to copy. And in home tab, in clipboard group, have a copy option. See, just click on it and your data is copied. Same as to paste. Simply select the area where you want to paste. Same as in home tab in clipboard group have a paste option. Simply click on it and your data is pasted. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.